Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem, intersection of two linked lists. We have given a heads of two singly linked lists, head A and head B. Return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked list has no intersection at all, return null. For this example, I have for this example we have 4, 1 and 5, 1, 6. We have intersection at 8, so basically 8 will be skip 2, B which will be skip 3. The output should be 8, and voila, that's it. So how we can approach this problem? Let's just first, there is a bug, I guess, in Leetcode is not loading to me. I don't know why. Anyway, 41845, 41845. It doesn't matter physically. It just like 4 1 4 1 5 6, and another linked list. It will be 2 3, and we have the intersection in 6, and maybe like 8, and this one had 9, or whatever it will be. So there is two solutions that are coming to my mind right now. Maybe there are three solutions. One of them is to just use a brute force, like loop through this and loop through this, and this, I guess, it will take time complexity of O of n multiplied by m, whereas n is the length of this linked list and m is the length of this linked list. Or we can use a hash table basically and store basically each one of them, and when we find a similar node in both of them, I guess this will be our node, and on this one it will be, by this one will the time complexity, it will be, instead of multiplied, it will be plus, and this is way more better. And I guess how we can go through this one. I guess we need to build hash table, like yeah, we build a hash table, and and we continue to add to it, and if the okay, what I'm thinking about the okay, we can like we can traverse the list B and store the address reference of each node in the hash table. Then for each node, basically in A, check if they are there or not. This is what I'm thinking about. Let's try. Still loading. What's going on with Leetcode? Just give me a minute. What's going on with you, Leetcode? Still loading. And my Wi-Fi works perfectly fine. Okay, let's see. Leetcode here is loading. Okay. I don't care. Let's just work on the code. Okay, so I will say maybe like I will create a map set, like node like nodes in B, for example, and will equals new set, and I will say while, maybe like while head of B doesn't equal null. I will just right now I will store everything. I'll store all of the nodes in this set. So I will say nodes nodes in B dot add head B, and head B will equals head B dot next. That's it, I guess. Head B will equals head B dot next. Tuck. What's the thing that with the error that just coming up and going back? I don't know what about it. However, let's just continue on solving the problem. I see that basically while head of A doesn't equals null, so basically we saved everything in head of B, and we just loop right now in head of B, and we know if there is something in head of in this set or not. I will say that if nodes of B that has head of A, I will just return head of A. Otherwise, head of A equals head of A dot next, and if there is nothing was returned, I guess I return null. I guess that's it. Submit. Oh yeah, I don't know what about this. Sometimes it could become so annoying, so annoying. So okay, so we can't check this solution, but however, I guess this will work 100%. Just look at the code and understand how this works. Basically, we store everything in the table, everything from head B. We store all of this list in the table in the head B, and after that we compare each element to the table, you know. And when we found them, we just return it. Otherwise, we'll continue to loop through the node until we found the node that was shared between both of them. Otherwise, I will return null. So basically, that's it. And sorry for what it's Leetcode doing. It's such a shame it's doing that. However, it is how it is. I guess you like this solution, and see you in the next problems. Hopefully, Leetcode will work in the next problem.